Hello,
Hello, Kaylan. How are you?
I'm good. How are you?
I am great.
Good. So obviously, you know my name is Kaylin. What's your name?
My name is Ramzan.
Ramzan. Okay, nice to meet you. Where are you from?
I am from India, northern part
India.
of India, Kashmir.
Okay. Okay, very nice. And why are you on Cambly?
Yes, I am trying to learn English and also meeting with new people with different accents.
Okay, okay.
Yes.
And why would you like to practice your English?
Yes, I have some clients, so to communicate with them, I must have a good English communication skills. So that's why I'm learning here.
So for work.
Yes. What's your
Okay.
profession?
Um, I've just been teaching English for the past 4 years and traveling. So I'm a nomadic English teacher. Yeah.
Okay, so you mean you graduated and then after you chose this profession, right?
It was more like I wanted to travel. So I was like, oh, I can do this and travel. And so I'd never chosen to be an English teacher. I wanted to be a teacher, not English, but so it worked out really well. But I'm probably going to do a master's degree for something completely different. Yeah.
Okay, so you are living away from your hometown?
Well, right now, because of coronavirus, I am at home, but normally I travel almost full time.
So in which countries you visited?
Um, Multiple countries in Europe, England, Scotland, France, Italy, Germany, Czech Republic, Hungary, Greece, Turkey, Morocco, um, Thailand, Vietnam, Cambodia, Laos, Dubai, and then I think a few more European ones as well. So, yeah.
So yes, so what is the best thing which you learned from that traveling?
I just really like learning about other cultures, meeting other people, seeing all those places that you learn about and that you see in movies and in pictures and that have all this beautiful history. I don't know. I just think there's so much in the world to see.
So I mean that first, for example, you have seen a lot of cultures. So any specific thing which you found in a specific culture, which you are thinking that is great if that is applied in every part of the world.
Um, Yes and no. Like, I find that a lot of non-North American cultures are just so much more welcoming and they're so much nicer. Like,
Uh,
but that could also be depending on not living in a big city and those types of things. Like, I really like Arabic people and how they're just so nice to everyone. They'll let everyone in their house and they force you to eat, which I don't love that because then I'm like, no, 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 it's okay. And they're like, no, you have to. But it's just, I don't know. I feel like North America, Europeans were a little bit cold. And so it's nice that so many other cultures are just so much more open and warm. Yeah.
okay, open means they have the type of liberty. I mean, you can do anything. Is it like
No,
that?
no, that's actually the opposite. So a lot of cultures are a lot more rigid in their cultural beliefs, right? Because they're so old and this culture has been going on for so long that if you do things a little bit differently, it's not as accepted. But I mean open as in to other people, like just being very welcoming, having people in your house, being friendlier. Yeah.
Okay, okay, that's great. So, can you please tell me one thing that why you are from UK or US?
Canada.
Canada. So
Yeah.
you, I mean, migrated from any other country or you permanently?
I'm
living there?
Canadian. My dad was born in Scotland, but
Mhm.
I've lived in Canada my whole life. So,
Okay.
yeah. And
So,
what do you do for work?
yes, I am a software engineer,
Okay.
so working on websites, mobile apps, doing coding. So these
Nice.
are the things which I do.
Do you like it?
Yes, of course, I spent almost 3 years working on it and love to do the things which are
Good.
new and
Okay.
try different things. Yes.
That's good because I mean, not everyone loves their job. So
So you are not you loves your job or not?
I do and I don't. I love teaching English. I love talking to people, but there's definitely issues I have with it. Mostly the company that I work for. Uh, but no, I'm very no stress. I'm good. Um, yeah. But I
Okay,
just
so
know that a
you
lot of people want to do career changes. So that's why I always ask.
yes. So I have one question. You can see my face, and there are other people who are not living in Canada, US, UK. So why they are so beautiful? Like they,
Um,
yes. Is there any specific reason?
I literally I can't I don't even know what you're asking.
I mean, for example, you have the cold weather there, because of which your skin is white, or there is any other factor?
Well, I don't think that white skin is necessarily more beautiful than other skin tones. So, um, like I think that all skin tones are beautiful. Like everyone has something about them, and there's no one culture that's more beautiful or has more beautiful people because everyone has different ideas of beauty. So,
Yes, yes. Actually, I'm not talking about that beauty which is like scales, nature, behavior. I'm talking about the appearance. I mean,
no, that's what I'm talking about as well. There's definitely countries that are prettier, like the mountains or whatever. But I'm talking about like people. I wouldn't say there's one country that has the most beautiful people. That's no, of course not. There's
no,
gonna
no. But in the Western, I found that they are beautiful. But for example, if you will see in India and few other countries, so they are not much smart. I mean, their face is not looking more white.
yeah, but see, that's the thing is I don't think that whiteness means you're beautiful. I mean, I think there's ridiculously beautiful Indian people. Um, so I can't answer that question because I don't agree with it because I don't think there's more beautiful people in Canada. Maybe there is, but we also have people from all over the place. We have so many people from India. So, yeah.
Oh, okay. Ultimately, you don't have any specific answer for this that you will find out, right?
No, because I like just because you think people from a certain country are more beautiful doesn't mean that they're
Yes.
more beautiful for everyone else, right? So, um, like,
Okay, so you mean that it depends on every person's perspective, right?
mhm,
Oh, okay,
yeah.
okay.
Like I don't
Yes,
date pale guys. Like if all the people that I have dated have had darker skin tones. No one has had the same skin tone as me. I don't like it. I mean, I like it on myself because what it's my skin tone, it's the way it is. But like on men, I'm not like, "Oh yeah, look at that pale boy." It's the opposite. So,
okay, so you mean that you like the guys who are having the black skins, right?
I mean, not necessarily black skin, but I like black skin, brown skin. Like it doesn't matter. It's the person more so, but historically speaking, I have dated people who are much darker than me, which is everyone because I'm like a ghost, but still like not Scottish skincare. So we're out of time, but it was really nice meeting you.
Okay. Thank you.
Bye.
Bye.